welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I am going to show you how I was able to get this look for my clients. So first I'm going to be showing you how I prepped and how many packs we have and all that other stuff. So I do have the link to the hair in my description, and this hair came like this in one pack. And in one pack we had about 20 strands of the pre-locked hair, 20 strands of them. So basically I only used about 3.5, so we're looking at about 70, 3.5, 70 strand. So I'm just prepping it to you for you guys to show you, just how they look. They're not really they're not skinny, but they're not like too skinny. I mean, they're great for small basically, but for medium you have to keep adding on. And I also use the sprinkles hair, and I'm going to be showing you how I used it. So you can do this hair like this, crochet and leave it the way it is, but I wanted to do something more for mine because I wanted some type of texture. So I only used about 3 packs or 2.5 packs of the sprinkles hair. The sprinkles hair came, I believe, 30 in one pack. So I only used about 2.5, and I used about 3.5 of the pre-locked hair. I do have the sprinkles hair and the locks hair in my description box. Also, please, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And before we even proceed, I'm currently located in Michigan, but next year I would be relocating to Texas, Dallas, Texas. So I'm just putting it out there for, for people that are watching me. They are in Dallas, Texas. I will be down there, so feel free to follow me, reach out to me. And yeah, so I will talk more about my moving soon, but for now, at least now you can go ahead and follow me and just stay tuned. And yeah, just to clarify, I will be moving down there ending of January, early February of 2021. So I wanted to just make that clear, just in case people are not looking at the dates and stuff like that. But yes, enough of my moving, guys. So I will be parting my clients here. We're going to have, we had about 74 counts of locks. So I wished I did about 65 to 70, but for some reason I wasn't really thinking that much, and I was just braiding. So basically, if you split, how you have middle parts, she had about 6 on the left and 6 on the right. So that was how it is. So technically that's like an extra small part at the towards the front of her hair, but again, it wasn't even like, because I was just worried that it was going to be heavy, but it wasn't really heavy. And she's not basically the type that like long hair, but surprisingly she actually loved this one. So if she doesn't like long hair, and then she loves it. So you can see that, you can basically tell that, okay, this hair is long, but it's really lightweight. I am actually thinking of getting them done for myself very, very soon. So stay tuned for that one. So now I am done braiding the hair. As you can see, really nice boxes. And we're going to be doing middle parts for her. Technically, when you do a middle part, you have the option of side parts on both ends. But yeah. So right now I'm just counting the braids, and the next slide we're going to show you how I got the look. So yeah, we're done. And right now I'm going to be showing you how I insert my individual crochet. I actually made a video with the 24 inches one. This is a 36 inches locks, by the way. Sorry, I didn't really say that, but it's on the title, so you guys know what I'm talking about. So as you can see, I had to insert using my crochet hook. I insert the locks, and I am going to take the ends of my locks. What's wrong with my voice? I am going to take the ends of my locks and then, just enter the loop. And we're going to make it tight, not too tight now, just something, because I'm going to go back to wrap to create a texture look. But now you can do this as well. You can just insert it through your client's locks or your locks, take the ends of her natural hair and then just go through. So you can keep doing that and just rock your locks the way you know, like that. But me, I like to add some texture to mine. So I felt like if I'm going to go back to, you know, wrap, then there is no point of me just like doing that method like all through. So this is the second method that I do for basically the rest of my clients here. I was just showing you the other one for those that, you know, are into just crochet, and that's about it. But yeah, so same thing. I'm just trying to go through. Sorry guys. So I'm going through, you know, and then when it's a bit tight, and I'll just twist. And I just twist, guys, because I don't have time to go through every single locks and then do all that stuff. I don't have time for that. If you have time, shout out to you, but I don't. So yeah, and that's about it. So I'm going to wrap both of them. So that's why I don't want to waste my time trying to go through every single one. That is what it looks like. So on the right, I wrapped my spring twist hair over the locks. On the left is just the locks by itself, if that makes sense. So on the left, that's locks by itself, nothing being wrapped. But then the one on the right was what I wrapped. So now I'm going to be showing you how I wrap the spring twist hair over my locks. So I'm going to take one already, you know, inserted locks, and I'm going to show you how I wrap it. So I only used one strand of the spring twist hair to wrap. Again, to wrap, I only use one strand. So the spring twist hair do not really have to go all the way to the ends of your locks, because I only care about protecting the hair that is like, you know, coming out from the locks. That is all I care for. And that is, I just like the ombre texture, basically. So I'm going to wrap and then just give space as you wrap. So you don't have to braid. You don't have to wrap close to each other. You can just wrap zigzag-ish, that kind of look, and then just go really fast with it, or just don't think much about it, just keep going. And that was how I was able to create that look that makes it look like, you know, it's distressed and it's natural and all that stuff. But yeah, that is all I did, guys. So for the rest of my video, I'll be doing this exact same thing, honestly. So it's not even going to go towards the end, because the spring twist hair is like 8 inches. So I only went like about maybe close to the end, or like half, but not nowhere close, but not towards the end. So yeah, so that's how I got my look. So you can go all the way to the, you know, to the ends of the hair with my clients. So again, as I mentioned earlier, my clients don't really like long hair like that. So that was how I was like, you know what, there's no point of me going all the way to the bottom, you know. But then she liked it. You can't even tell towards the end, because you basically only looking at like the roots and everything. And yeah, that is the result of having the spring twist hair over the locks. It's so pretty, it's so soft. So don't be worried, guys, you'll be just fine. Try this long look. I haven't done my hair this long before, but I am very much open to it. Well, that'll be all for my voiceover. Again, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.